In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Dropdown in SurveyMonkey 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to save a clean, professional Dropdown question for your survey. First, head to the SurveyMonkey homepage and sign in so you land on your dashboard. From here, you have two ways to get started. You can create a brand new survey if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing survey if you're adding a dropdown to something you've already built. Either option is fine. The steps are the same once you're inside the survey editor. Inside the survey, look to the left-hand side of the editor where the main controls live. Click Build. This is the workspace where you add and arrange questions. If you don't immediately see the question you want, click View More to expand the full catalog of question types. This reveals additional formats beyond the basics. In the Choose a Question Type panel, locate Dropdown. A dropdown is perfect when you want respondents to pick a single answer from a longer list. Things like countries, departments, or standardized scales, while keeping the page tidy. Click Dropdown to insert it into your survey. Now enter your question in the prompt field. Write it clearly and concisely so respondents know exactly what they're selecting. Next, add your answer choices. Type each option into its own line. Keep your list consistent, avoid overlapping choices, and use plain language. If you have many options, consider grouping or ordering them logically so respondents can scan quickly. You'll also see a setting to select a type. This is where you can apply a preset list or structure to your dropdown. For example, choose an easy to difficult scale if you need a quick standardized range. Presets like this help maintain consistent wording and ordering, which can improve data quality. If you prefer custom options, stick with manual entries and simply arrange them in the order that makes the most sense: alphabetical, chronological, or by importance. Take a moment to review what you've added. Check for typos, confirm there's only one correct choice per respondent, and make sure the order supports quick selection. If your audience might need guidance, include a brief note within the question text, but keep it short so the dropdown remains the focus. Once everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your dropdown question is now part of your survey, ready to collect clean, structured responses without cluttering the page.